this video, we're going to be making this chocolate cake with milk chocolate mousse and whipped cream, and even though this cake is so simple to make, it looks so lavish. So you're going to need 3 chocolate cake layers, and I baked these in an 8-inch pan, and you can find this recipe on my channel. You are going to let these chocolate cakes cool completely, or you could use any cake recipe of your choice. And then you're going to take half cup of whipping cream in a bowl. And beat on high speed till you get soft peaks. And then you're going to set this aside. In a microwave safe bowl, you're going to take some milk chocolate and butter. And you're going to microwave it for 10 seconds. You can also place this on the double boiler if you wish to. And then you're going to stir and repeat till your chocolate and butter has melted. And here you can see that the chocolate has melted completely. Now you're going to fold in the whipped cream in the chocolate little by little, just like I show here. Make sure to be gentle because you want the mousse to be light and airy. And repeat this till you have finished all of the cream. And your milk chocolate mousse is ready to be used. Now you're going to place your first chocolate layer on a plate, and you're going to place some of your mousse on top and spread it out evenly. You can be as generous as you want. And then you're going to place the second layer on top and repeat. And then place the final chocolate cake layer on top. And then I like to frost the edges. And your chocolate cake is ready to be frosted. Now you're going to take 2/3 cups of whipping cream in another bowl. Also know that here I'm using non-dairy whipping cream. You can check the video that I made regarding it on my channel. Add in 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and you can also add some color or some flavor if you want to. Now you're going to beat this on high speed again till you have stiff peaks. then you're going to lightly frost the cake on all sides. And you can let this layer be very thin because you're going to be again piping stars on the top. So you're going to now use a star tip and place some frosting in the piping bag. And then go ahead and pipe the stars onto your cake just like I show here. You might also need some extra whipping cream, so you can whip some extra in advance. Your beautiful cake is ready. And I also sprinkled some edible golden glitter on top because why not? And then you can go ahead and slice your cake and serve it. See that the texture of the cake is so moist and the chocolate mousse and whipping cream just go so well together. You definitely need to try this cake out for yourself and let me know how this turns out. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new recipes. Click the bell notification to stay notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!